In the quiet dawn of 1st January 1919, a remarkable soul entered the world, Sri Mohini Mohan Brahma. A scholar, a social worker, a guardian of culture, and a devoted public servant, he would one day become one of the most respected voices of Boro literature. Throughout his life, Sri Mohini Mohan Brahma wrote many influential books. His works captured the essence of Boro literature, the melodies of Boro folk songs, the wisdom of folk tales, and the knowledge he gathered from international seminars. His dedication carried him far beyond the borders of Assam. In 1981, he traveled to the United States. In 1982, he journeyed to China. Both times, he attended the prestigious International Conference on Sino-Tibetan Languages and Linguistics, global gathering of scholars studying some of the world's most ancient language families. The conference attracts experts from across continents, researchers of Sino-Tibetan, Hmong-Mien, Karatai, and Austroasiatic languages. At the Beijing conference, Sri Mohini Mohan Brahma presented one of his most celebrated works, an etymological study on Boro words. His presentation became a milestone, an important contribution to the preservation and understanding of the Boro language. Beyond his scholarship, he was a man deeply rooted in his community. Through his writings and service, he championed the cultural heritage of his people, ensuring that future generations would inherit not just stories, but identity. On 1st March 2000, Sri Mohini Mohan Brahma left this world. But his legacy lives on, in his books, in the voices of scholars, and in the hearts of the Boro people. His life reminds us that one person's commitment to knowledge can preserve the heritage of an entire community.